How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have completed the explanation of our chapter number 4, air. Now today we will do the question answer of that lesson. Now from the exercise, the first question is answer the following questions. The first question is what is atmosphere? And the answer is the earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. Question number 2. Which two gases make the bulk of the atmosphere? Answer. Nitrogen and oxygen make the bulk of the atmosphere. Question number 3. Which gas creates greenhouse effect in the atmosphere? Answer. Carbon dioxide creates the greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. Fourth, what is weather? Answer. Weather is short-term state of the atmosphere, whether it is hot or cold, wet or dry. It is the hour-to-hour, day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. Question number 5. Name 3 types of rainfall. Answer. 3 types of rainfall are conventional rainfall, orographic rainfall, cyclonic rainfall. Question number 6. What is air pressure? Answer. The pressure exerted by the weight of air on the surface of the earth is called air pressure. So I hope students, all of you have to understood the answers of these questions. Now go to the second one. Tick the correct answer. Means you have to choose the one correct answer from the given. First is, which of the following gases protect us from harmful sun rays? कौन सी ऐसी गैसेज हैं जो हमें हार्मफुल सन रेज से प्रोटेक्ट करती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन और ओजोन. सो द आंसर इज ओजोन. सेकेंड, ट्रोपोस्फेयर, थर्मोस्फेयर और मीजोस्फेयर. एंड द आंसर इज ट्रोपोस्फेयर. Third, which of the following layers of the atmosphere is free from clouds? कि एटमॉस्फेयर की लेयर्स जो होती हैं उनमें से कौन सी लेयर ऐसी होती है जो फ्री फ्रॉम क्लाउड होती है, जहां पे क्लाउड्स नहीं होते? ट्रोपोस्फेयर, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर और मीजोस्फेयर. सो एंड द आंसर इज स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर. नाउ एज वी गो अप द लेयर्स ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर, द प्रेशर, कि जब हम ऊपर की लेयर में एटमॉस्फेयर की जाते हैं तो प्रेशर क्या होता है? इंक्रीज, डिक्रीज और रिमेन्स द सेम. एंड द आंसर इज डिक्रीजेस. Fifth one, when precipitation comes down to the earth in the liquid form, it is called. कि जब precipitation liquid form में अर्थ में आता है तब उस समय answer is rain. Now next question is match the following. So here there are 2 columns. Column A, there are 4 words: trade wind, Lu, monsoon and wind. And in the next column there are 6 words. So you have to find the correct order of that. Now the trade winds means permanent wind. Lu is local wind. Monsoon, seasonal wind. And wind is horizontal movement of air. Next is give reasons. Wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day. कि ह्यूमिड डे में कपड़ों को सूखने में, गीले कपड़ों को सूखने में क्यों लंबा समय लगता है? सेकेंड, अमाउंट ऑफ इंसुलेशन डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम इक्वेटर टुवर्ड्स पोल. कि जो इंसुलेशन का अमाउंट होता है वो इक्वेटर से पोल की तरफ डिक्रीज होता है, क्यों? हियर इन द फर्स्ट आंसर, इन ह्यूमिड डे द ह्यूमिडिटी इज वेरी हाई दैट इट इज द लेवल वाटर वेपर इन एटमॉस्फेयर इज हाई. ड्यू टू दिस एयर इज नॉट एबल carry away more water vapor with it, and thus the clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day. Next, insolation is the incoming solar energy intercepted by the earth. Sunlight falls almost vertically on the equator, whereas it falls at some angle on the poles. Due to this, amount of insolation decreases from equator towards poles. So students, here we complete our exercise of lesson number 4, air. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.